5 years from now, gusto ko dumating na sa palarong pambansa ang pickleball. Pickleball will reach regional meet and from regional meet to palarong pambansa.
Bro Costi, 5 years from now, ano yung gusto mong makita dito sa pickleball community, dito sa Pangasinan?
5 years from now, unang-una, gusto ko dumating na sa palarong pambansa ang pickleball.
Wow!
I hope that
Grabe.
pickleball can reach from, kasi meron na kaming division meet. I hope pickleball will reach regional meet and from regional meet to palarong pambansa. Yan. Pag nangyari yan, ibig sabihin we will be creating doors for our students to become athletic scholars in college. Ibig sabihin, with this through sports, matutulungan sila na matapos nila yung mga pag-aaral nila. Malaking bagay yun.
Yes.
Yes, malaking bagay yun.
Matutulungan sila makatapos, malibre yung, magkaroon sila ng scholarship program,
Tama.
at maraming kabataan yung gagraduate at magre-represent ng country in the near future.
Tama.